Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your 2023 Jeep Wrangler? Wondering where each fuse is placed or how to read the fuse box diagram correctly? In this guide, we'll walk you through the exact location of the fuse box and provide an easy-to-understand diagram to help you identify the fuses for various systems in your Explorer. Power distribution fuse box gasoline engine. A power distribution fuse box in a gasoline engine plays a crucial role in managing and protecting the vehicle's electrical system. It houses fuses and relays that safeguard various components from overloads and short circuits, ensuring safe operation. The power distribution fuse box efficiently distributes electrical power to critical systems such as the ignition, lighting, and fuel pump, helping the engine and other essential functions run smoothly. Additionally, it is designed for easy maintenance, with a clearly labeled fuse layout that allows for quick troubleshooting and replacement when needed. Power distribution center fuse box diesel engine. A power distribution center fuse box in a diesel engine functions similarly to its gasoline counterpart, but is designed to handle the higher electrical demands of diesel-powered vehicles. It protects critical components by housing fuses and relays that prevent overloads and short circuits, ensuring reliable operation. It efficiently distributes electrical power to essential systems such as the ignition, glow plugs, fuel injection, and lighting. Additionally, it features a well-organized, labeled fuse layout for easy troubleshooting and quick replacement, simplifying maintenance and repairs.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuses and fuse box diagram is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.